Good morning, everyone. It's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I have a beautiful, to me, project share. The papers are from Peyton Paperworks on Etsy, and I will give her link, or their link. I don't know if it's a boy or girl or what. So remember when I said I have folios pre-made? This is why. When you go cray-cray, and someone has 70% off and you buy half of their stock or half of their images, I think I have. So yeah, I want her to do Gone with the Wind and Wizard of Oz. I don't know. I just think that she's got what it takes to do those junk journals. So anyway, I'm just in love with the paper. And I just want to show you my project share. It's a folio and a junk journal photo album all in one. So yeah, let's go through it. Seam binding. I'm thinking next time I'm going to cut this in half. It's a little wide. So you can see where there's a junk journal. There's the back. This is all cardstock on top of cardstock, so it's 3 layers of cardstock, so it's pretty stiff. So and if you want a tutorial on my folios, I will give you one. So okay, here is the junk journal, and the rest of it, just imagine this not being in here, and the rest of it's just a folio. There is so much stuff that I didn't even use because it was getting thick. So, okay, let's go through it. So here you go, and it opens up, and you see that beautiful image and that image. And then I used tuck spots, but this is really for putting pictures. Like if you had a child's picture, you could put right there. But I overprinted on my count. Well, actually, my printer printed all of it instead of the current page, so I didn't want to throw these images away, and they were on cardstock, so these came with it. Everything you see came with it. So I made my own tags and images. This, and it's got these two in it. I'm going to go pretty fast. So I did put a pocket here, but I really do want people to put pictures. So here's a picture that came with it. Here's one that came with it. And then I made this one using Anna Griffin die. Postcards came with it. And this, and then this has a tuck spot right here with her stuff. So you close that up. And then here's the junk journal. I'll show you that in a second. And then here's the pages. You flip it, and there's another image. Then you flip it. Excuse me. And there's another image. And then this image folds this way. Oh, can you see it? It folds this way, and it has a pocket right here. And I made that one with the extra, but all this, and then I made that tag. But that's just so pretty. So you put the pocket there. You could use this to hold down that. This is so heavy that I do not have any magnets because I use cardstock on top of cardstock. So, and then here is the middle page. Has a little tuck spot. Put a picture here. You can put pictures over all these. But here you go. Isn't it just so cute? And see how everything is almost like an explosion box folio. And then you close it, and then that is so cute right here. Okay, so now let's go through the junk journal real quick. She already had these made, and here you go. You can write, put a photo. Look at that, and that's so cute. And this is just copy paper. Two tags I made because I had extra. This went together, so I made a little tag here, and then this up above. And then she had these cards. I just think it's so cute for Easter or spring. I didn't put the word Easter on it. She had a label saying spring and Easter, but I didn't put that on there. And whoever gets this, I'm going to add these extras to it. But this can be for anything. It doesn't have to be Easter just because it's bunnies. Bunnies live year-round. Here's where I tied it together and put the little danglies, and the blue matches the blue. There you go. I did ink all the edges with tea dye from Tim Holtz, just to get rid of that white edge if it's on there from when I cut it. But you know, having the folios already made, and then all I had to do is get a piece of one cardstock and fold it in half, and it just fit perfectly. So here you go. You can write a lot of notes in here. You can hide stuff in here. But I think it's just so cute. It's beautiful. So there it is. What do you think? And who would you give this to? So I tied it up, and I tied it and I glued it, and I wanted to make sure that it wasn't in the center. I put it down below so that you could actually see the images. So there it is. See, I glued it underneath the paper and everything. So I hope you like it, and thank you. And all the links will be down below, even Peyton Paperworks. And have a blessed day. Happy Easter.